I have what do you think now? Is it working now? Oh, now it works. And what about you, Sami? Ah, okay, okay. It is it is my problem, I guess. So I will see. I will stop right now and I will begin again because I will take the first part that I didn't speak. Okay, so I will stop it right now and then. So hello guys, do you hear me right now? I see cheaper, it says good. Wise men say good. Wandy Casta said good. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, I was talking. Thank you very much for telling me that there is no voice. But I see it is my fault. I checked the software. It was not linked. I don't know who changed it. I don't. You know, I don't touch softwares. Okay, I just leave them as they are. So that is the good thing. Now, so guys, today I am sorry for last weekend. I have a party, and I am sorry. When there is a party, I will leave you guys. Okay. So I have a party with some friends and family, so I can't make it. I can't say to them I have to do the live video. I can't, okay? So I should choose between two things. So sorry for last weekend. Now for today, which is Wednesday, I thought why to do a video, why I don't go live and see whatever who is here, and this video will be recorded, so tomorrow you will see it again, so there is no, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I say that in this stock market we have nearly 3 words that are so different. Now the word of day traders is so specific to some people who are very active. They have some money and they use the margin. Let's say someone who has $20,000, he can use the margin, and then he has $40,000 in his hands. So in the morning, wherever he saw an opportunity, okay, at the open with the news or a gap up or gap down, he tries to see if there is an opening and where he can enter and can make some money. Okay, it's a word of news, it's the word of volume, it's the word of a lot of things, especially news and volume, because when the volume change in a stock, it means there is something going on to this stock, either going up or going down. So either you sell short, or you go long in that day. So this word is for some people who are specific, for these people who are interested and they have the morning off. It means, let's say you have the you work second shift, or you work third shift, you work at night, okay, and in the morning you have time. And instead of sleeping, you can do 2 hours or 3 hours trading, and then you can go sleep, and then later you can go to work. So, or someone who is retired, okay, he's retired, he has nothing to do in the morning, so he will be trying to find opportunities to buy and sell stocks in the morning. So this is why we have what we call day traders. Okay, but if you, for example, you can't make it in the morning, and you want to be a day trader, you should look, for example, for forex, which is currency pairs, or futures. They are very risky, but the opportunity to make money is bigger because these are leveraged derivatives. Leveraged, it means that with small money you can control big money. With, for example, the E-mini in futures, okay, you put $2,000, but you can control $50,000 or $60,000. So when this E-mini moves, you will make a lot of money as a day trader, and you can do day trading the whole day, the whole night. It's like forex, it's like futures. That's why some people they like to be a day trader, and some they specialize. And this is what I am speaking always. You should specialize in one thing. Okay? It's not you do swing trading, you do day trading, you do investing, and you mix everything in one account. This will not help you anymore, because you should specialize in something and stay with it many years until you succeed. Now, whenever you succeed in, for example, day trading, you begin to make money consistently in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Now, what is the problem that you have? Money. Okay? The only thing that you need is more money. 20,000 or 50,000 will be not enough. Okay? Hello, Chris de Guzman. Thank you for coming. And Wendy Casa said, "Hi Karim, you want to buy a stock, but if it keeps going up and up, what do? You buy it and let it continue to go up and up and up and up." So what do you want? You want that I go to the stock market and I stop the stock for you, you buy, and then it continues to go up? What do you want to do from me? Juan de Casa, you should, as you know, you should find the stock in the first day. You should, if you don't find, it means that you are not searching daily. That's why you find some stocks that are into a trend. You didn't reach them on the first candlestick, as we saw. So Juan de Casa, just if you find opportunity, just enter. If you are scared, don't put too much money. Okay? But don't see a very, very long trend after 6 months and you come at the end and you want to buy. So this is not what we are doing here. Okay? Oh, you mean if the stock is not pulling back a little bit, it means that this stock is pushed too much by buyers. So the best thing is not to follow this kind of stocks, because I know these stocks could be very, very small stocks. You should either be with the first guys. Don't be with the least guys. It means the latter guys, or the guys that come late. And there is no only one stock. For you, for example, you think that this is the only stock that you find, but in the stock market there are a lot. And most of the time, the stocks that you don't like are the good stocks. Because when the stock is just moving into a trend, it will not see very good. That's why the people, they don't buy them when they are where the trend is not seen. Because when the trend is seen, everybody will see the trend, and they go and they jump and they begin to buy, and then maybe the trend collapse, because a lot of people have made a lot of money before, so they sell, or they put a very big correction, and a lot of people at the end lose a lot of money. So Juan de Casa try to search for stocks according to our criteria. From the first day you can find stocks. If you don't find today, you will find tomorrow. I mean the best stocks, but every day you find stocks. Okay? Because the stock market is so big. How come you don't find? There are stocks. But maybe when you see them, you don't like them. Because you see the chart is not good, or it doesn't fit what you are looking for. And this is the problem. Okay? And Juan de Casa. So, can you show me this stock? That it is going up and up and up? Because there are a lot. When these stocks are at the end of the trend, they push them too much in order that a lot of people they buy and the other guys are selling. That's why when we have the correction, it will be very, very bad. Okay? So I will I can explain to you this by this one, by this explanation. Okay? So let's say the stock here was $20. It was going down, going up, and now it is let's say now it is $40. And then you see candlesticks like this. Now, these candlesticks that you see like vertical, it means that it was pushed very hard. It doesn't show the same as the trend. You see, this is the normal trend. A normal trend, the stock is going up, going down, going up, going down, small corrections. But when you see stock like days like this, it could be going down like this very, very quick, because it is the end of the trend. And you are each day, you are seeing this, you see this, you see this, you see this, and then when you want to enter, the stock will be going down and you lose a lot of money. So be careful of these stocks. And the majority of, let's say, penny stocks, just to mention those, is that you find a stock like this. It's $2, like this. And then one day you say one or two candlestick like this. Now this one or two candlestick, this is manipulation. Manipulation, it means the stock is not trading normally. Now here it trades $2. The volume, let's say it is 50K, 50,000 volume. Now you see this candlestick is 5 million, and this is 10 million. So you see, now these 2 days are not like the other days that you see here. For 2 months or 3 months, see the stock, it doesn't do nothing. 50K, 45, 20, it means it's not doing that much. But these 2 days are manipulated, and then you see, and then later it can go down, and then it will continue doing the same as it does, and it is $2 here, and here it goes to $15, for example. Okay? So if you are a day trader, you can catch these. A day trader, you should do day trading. Okay? This is just an explanation. Now, as I told you, if you want to trade these kind of stocks, which are called pump and dump scheme, you should rely on volume and you should do a stock screener in the morning at 9:30 when the market opens, and you begin to see which stocks have been going so high with volume and with the price, and then you put them in the list, and then you try to enter and buy. Either you short, you sell short, or you go long, and this is your opportunity to make money. But understand, it will be very, very quick, so you should have a very good broker, high execution, and you have a good chart, okay, to do day trading. Sammy Caprio, you say, you seem under armor. Under armor? What do you mean? It means I'm going to fight? No, I am okay. I am okay. I have no problem. So, Wendy Casa said, all stocks start with LGCY are up, and every day it's trending good. LGCY. Oh, yes. Yes, it's a very, very long, you see? It's a very, very long trend. You see? You see how long was? So the stock was $1, $2. Now it is nearly $10. Okay? So you miss all this trend. You missed it. This is the problem. You come at the end. Now, people, they buy here, they buy here, they buy here, they buy here, and you want to buy at the end. This is what I am talking about. So people buy at 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or something, but you want to buy at 9.65. Okay? So this is what I'm speaking about. Oh, Wiseman said, I think Sammy meant the stock under armor. No, he said you. He doesn't say stock market. No problem, no problem. Let's say here. Hess stock. It's HESS. Okay. Do you mean this one? It has a trend also, as you can see. But you should buy from the bottom, and this is very hard to buy. And it's only if you get the chance, 1 out of 10 or 20 in order to succeed in this stock. If you meant this stock, okay. So it's not that easy. So for the people under armor stock, yes. So most of the people, they see the stock when it is at the end, because the people begin to talk about it. But when the stock is going up, no one will talk about it because they don't know. This is the problem. This is the problem. It means they don't know how to buy it when it was just in the beginning. And this is what I teach. It means I teach you to buy from the beginning, not to buy at the end. Because at the end, everybody will know. Because even the analysts, even the chat rooms, Facebook groups, I don't know, all the people will begin to talk about this. Because it is the end. But no one will talk at the beginning. For me, I talk about the beginning many times ago when I show you the Dow Jones, I show industries, I showed you where is the beginning. But people, they want a sure thing. Well, the market doesn't offer you this option. It doesn't say to you, you have a warranty. You have a guarantee. If you buy here, you will make money here. No, there is no guarantee in the stock market. So you should risk your money. When you believe in something, you should do it. Don't ask anyone that if it is good or bad, because no one knows. Okay? So for me, when I always buy stocks according to my criteria, I don't care what the people are saying. Even if all the analysts, all the people they say don't buy, for me I buy, because I don't care about the people. I care about what I see. Hello Wise Man, hello Sammy, hello Palash Holder, thank you. Hello JJ. So hello everybody for today. Wise Man, I want to be one of the first ones to board the train, not last. Yes, so I'm telling you, Wise Man, and maybe you have seen this before from the training, or you have done some stocks. Believe me, when you buy a stock according to the criteria and you try and you succeed, you will make a lot of money. That's it. But if you don't succeed, it is because the stock doesn't trend. It's not your fault. Okay? It is the market doesn't go as you wish. So don't argue with the market as some people do. Okay? You should just search for stocks. You find one or two, you just buy, put stop loss. That's it. If the stock is trending in the future, you will make money, whatever the people say. Who cares? If you are making money, who cares? Okay? But if you want to wait 1 week or 2 or 3 until the trend is big, you are just wasting your time. Because maybe the stock will not trend more than what it trends at that time, at that price. So you should try to do your best in order to buy on time. Don't buy too late. If the stock is too late, leave it. Find another one. Because the stocks, we have 24,000 stocks, ETFs and mutual fund in the USA market. 24,000. How can you don't find a stock? You will find daily stocks. I see daily stocks that are going up and daily stocks that are going down. This is the market. Always we have opportunities to make money. But the only thing that the market gives you, it doesn't give you, is guarantee. It doesn't give you warranty or guarantee of success. There is no. The only thing is you try and you bet on something. JJ said, TPX start to make a move from the bottom, trying level 2 is working. TPX, let's see. Consumer durables, Tempur Sealy International. I don't know what's this. Home furniture. Now this stock, understand that this stock is making a lot of gap ups and gap down. It means that this stock has a lot of news. So be careful. Be careful of this kind of stocks. For me, I really don't like the kind of stocks that do this. Although you can, when you buy here, you can make money, but understand that it can have gap, like you see a trend, then we have a gap down, a trend and a gap down. So be careful, always protect yourself. But these, as you can see here, the gap up here, the gap down here, it is not earning news. It is not earning news because, see, it is just here, what is it? 28 July, 27 September. It means 2 months. Understand that that the earnings are 3 months. Now here we have September 27, 30 January. So it is a long time. It is 4 months. October, November, December, January, 4 months. And then we have a gap up, gap down. Now this stock has news, and this news can affect the price. For me, most of the time, I am not looking for this kind of stocks that move with the news too much. But if you have bought, or you are buying, or you are making money, always protect yourself with a stop loss. Whenever something happens, you can exit. But understand, if you get a gap down like this, a gap down or something, a problem, you can do nothing. 65, it goes to 45. $20 lost in one night. You can check. You can check what is the source of this news here and here and here and here. It should not be earnings, because they are, here is 2 months, here is 4 months. Okay, so be careful of this kind of stocks. You can find better. You can find better stocks. Let's say in training level 13, to buy from support line, there are ways to buy from support line that it is easier. If you, JJ, if you are in the subscription, I put 12 videos explaining how to buy from support line, which is easier than this, okay? And I don't know if you just bought the training by themselves, or if you are in the training. If you are in the golden subscription, you should find these videos this week and last week, and you watch them, and you will see a lot of stuff. Okay? Yes, as Wise Man said, TPX stock looks like a scary roller coaster ride. Yes, it's scary. When I see a gap down of $20, man, it is too much to bear. So I don't play with this scary stocks. I like stocks that go slowly, going up for a long time. Then I will make money. I don't like stocks, for example, I have a gap up, then a gap down, gap up, gap down, so I can't make money like this. So what I made as money, I will lose in the other time. Okay? So as I told you, for buying from support line, I showed you the Dow Jones, and they say that it is trending into a range, and you can find stocks right now from the bottom and from the resistance line. You can find both, but you should just begin with the beginning. Don't wait until it is seen by people. You should do our criteria. Our criteria are visible to us only and to those people who use it. Oh, those people, there are a lot of people, they know how to buy, and they can use the criteria and they can make money. Okay? So it means when you see an opportunity, you just buy. If you are scared to buy, don't buy too much. Okay? If you are scared of something. Mo Sahni, hi, how are you? Sampi Caprio, how long do you keep a winning stock? $11 down to 18, get out. Under Armour. So first, Sami Caprio, before I answer, what do you mean by Under Armour? You begin to repeat this word two or many times, so I don't understand. So tell me, what do you mean by Under Armour first? US stock. And why you call it Under Armour? Okay, no problem. UA. I said, why do you call USA stock Under Armour? Why do you say Under Armour always? There is no Under Armour this thing. Okay. Your question is, how long you keep a winning stock from $11 to 18? Oh, my t-shirt. It's Reebok. What's this? Okay. It's Reebok t-shirt. I don't know what's this Under Armour that he is using. Okay, no problem. Sammy asked the question. AU is a stock. No, but he is using Under Armour. JJ, this Sammy Caprio, he is using a Under Armour always. You say oh, okay. Under Armour, it means push it up, boss. Push it up, boss. I push it up. What is the thing I push it up? You make a mess, Sammy here. Okay. Let's Nike is Under Armour? Okay. Now, let's try to answer his question. He said, how long you keep a winning stock from $11 stock to 18 and get out? So, it means it is a good thing. Okay. Let's go to the explanation and explain. Thank you, Chris Guzman, for your answer. So, let's try to answer Sammy. Okay. Now he said, let's say to buy a stock at $11, it goes up to 18, and here you exit. Okay. Now, Sammy, the question for you is why you exit. This is the question. Why you exit at $18? What if the stock goes to 45? So this is the question. Now, if you have the answer, you tell me. If you don't, I will let you know. Oh, okay. Let's. No. Hey, JJ. AU, it is not Under the Armour stock. AU, it is Anglo Gold Ashanti. It's Anglo Gold Ashanti Ltd. So it's not what you say. So let us yes. What is UA? Oh, okay. Let's see. Yes. Now I understand what he says. Okay. So, to understand the thing is, when did you buy this stock? Sami, Caprio, when did you buy this stock? Which date? I know you said $11, but when did you buy it? Do you know the date? Approximately the date. Because it could be earlier of the gap up. Okay? No, I know. But I told you when. When did you buy this stock at 11? When? Which date? The date you bought it. Just to see when do you buy it. I know you have been watching this in February. Okay? This is February. Yes, it means you bought it maybe here 11, or maybe here or here. Okay, that's it. So if you bought it earlier and you see that you make a lot of money, so for me, in order to protect all this from 11 to 18, you should put stop loss where you want to exit. Okay, whatever stop loss you want to exit. Now, if the stock goes down in the future going down, at least you will keep all these profits from the market. Because if it's going down, let's say in the future, and you don't exit, it might go down, and you lose all your profits. So this depends on you. Okay? For us, there are ways where you put the exit price. We have ways to put it. So if you are interested, you can check. Okay, you can check training level 7. Okay, this is what you should do. Now, let's see the other questions. Yes, Sami, understand that you are so happy. You make this trade and it is a good trade, but in trading, you will not make one trade. You will be making another one. But if you don't know how to handle this, when to buy and when to exit, you will have a real problem. Because if you buy a stock and it goes against you, and you begin to wait 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, all your money will be gone. So you are doing trading. If you are doing trading, you should know how to use a stop loss, how to exit on time, not to make what we call losses. Because if you do another trade and you can't make it, and you make a bad trade, you will lose all the money that you gained, and maybe you lose some of your money. So it's better to train yourself to know what you are doing and to have the whole picture. Okay? JJ said, I bought welcome, Sami. You can take training level 1 is for free, Sami. Training level 1. Go to training level 1. It's free. And you can just watch. Okay? You can just watch the videos to see how my strategies are going. Okay? Now, JJ said, I bought WTI at 588. It did not hit my stop loss. Lose. But yet, I think the trend is ending. 588 WTI. I see this stock before. Okay, so JJ, try to send me an email, because as you can see, JJ, I know you have training level 7, how to follow the trend. It will give you what to do in this situation. Okay? So no one knows. Maybe the stock will continue to go up into a very, very long trend. So don't exit without any reason. I have put in training level 7 the reason why you put the exit point when you have a lot of profit. So you have some profits. Try to protect this profit and go check training level 7. You will find the way. If not, send me an email and we can discuss this in private. Okay? Because I know, JJ, you have, I think, my subscription. So you are my student. So don't exit. Don't exit without any reason. Our reason is some criteria that we should have into the stock to put an exit plan, exit point. So don't exit until you see that exit point get triggered, and then you can exit. Sami, how much cash did you start with? No, I started before around 12,000. When I begin the first year as a rookie, as you said, I make some money and I lose it all. And then I begin from the beginning. I raise 18,000, and in 6 months I get them to 62,000, and then I continue just trading. But this is in 2010. Now we are in 2018. Okay, so I continue growing up my account from that time, and this is what I do. Wiseman said that stock looks like it has a good uptrends. Yes, there are a lot of stocks that has good history. Okay, it can trend very, very well, and it can stay long and longer and longer. Okay. Wendy Casa said the stock I am in, WTA, considered sell from neutral by. Oh man. Oh man. What is this analysts do in my strategy? I told you, don't listen to any analyst, and don't mix my strategy with analysts. So an analyst will tell you when to buy, when to exit, and when to... No, he will never tell you this. So stop looking at what the analysts say, because they don't know nothing. And they don't trade. Okay? They don't trade. So why you ask someone who doesn't trade to tell you about the future of a stock? Okay? So, Wendy Casa, stop looking at analysts, what they say. Okay? If you want to take my strategies, you should do my strategies, because it is based on a signal, based on something that you can find me and you and other people, and we agree on, and then if it works our way, we make money. But analysts, he has nothing to do with the stocks. He just say, oh, the stock will fall. Okay. So if he knows when the stock go up and when the stock go down, he will make billions of dollars in a few months. But these people are talking because they are paid to talk. They are paid. It means someone paid them. If they are not paid, they disappear from the news. Okay? They are paid because they don't trade, these guys. So how can someone who is not trading, he will give you advice on how to trade, like your broker. Your broker teaches you how to trade stocks, and he doesn't trade. How that is possible? Okay. So one Casa, stop looking at the people, analysts. Stop. If you continue with analysts, you will be confused with my strategies, and you will spoil all the profits that you get. Okay? Wise man said, one Casa, stop loss is your analysis. Yes. Muhammad bin Naba, how are you? Ramadan Kareem, thank you very much. I know, I know your name, Benaba DZ. Okay, so stop looking at those people who are online like they ask people what to do. You are grown people. You are adults. No one will tell you what to do, when to buy, when to sell, and what is the thing, because he has no strategy. Did you buy according to his recommendation, and you follow him, and he will say when to exit? No. If you are following someone, okay, just do whatever you like. But don't mix what he say or analysts say with what I do. Okay. So as I told you, since we are speaking about trading, it's just a trading discussion. If you see an opportunity according to my criteria and it is a good stock, a good chart, it meets our criteria, just buy. Don't wait few days until you see. That's why I see someone here said, each day is going up. Each day is going up. Can I buy? Why are you waiting? If this stock is still going up each day, what have you done the first day when you see it? If you see an opportunity, you just buy. Don't wait until tomorrow, next day, the other day, because you are going out of the momentum. Now the momentum is the right time to buy, because you will make a lot of money if you begin from the beginning. That's the thing that I am always trying to say. Okay? So, as I told you, in general, the whole market is still trading into a range. I have explained this many times. Now I will just repeat it. Stocks are going up from the bottom, it means from the support line. I can show you the Dow Jones. I always show this because it's the most important thing. Dow Jones 30. Okay, see, it's going up, as you can see, into a trend. It can continue maybe in the future. It can hit the resistance line, continue to go up. So here you will find a lot of stocks that have been trending from the support line. They are going up. Now, does these stocks go down? No one knows. So whenever you buy, try to always bet on something in the future. Okay? You should always bet on the stock. Don't exit until you see the criteria that I show in training level 7. If the criteria is there, you should put an exit point, stop loss, and put it there. If the stock doesn't go good and it's going down, you exit and just you wait for a few days to see if you are correct, yes or no. Okay? So, even if you do a mistake in exit point, even if you do a mistake, it's not the end of earth. Some people are scared to exit as if they kick them from the stock market and they will never come back again. No. When you put a stop loss, it is just you don't want to lose that much profits that you have. Okay? As I showed to Sami, who just was here, he say, I bought the stock at 11, it is 18, should I exit? Okay, so this is what I am speaking about. Even if you exit, you can enter again. What's the problem? There is another question from Taya Soap. So I will be in thing. So Taya Soap said, have been subscribed a while to your channel. Your info is awesome. Thank you very much, Taya Soap, for subscribing. I am in Craig, 5,000 shares at 180. What do you think about their chart? I use moving average and VWAP. Let's see this Craig, how it looks like, because I don't know what's this stock. Okay. Now, Craig, before I speak about this stock, when did you buy this stock? It means 180. Which day? Yes, I see. It's yes. Yes, it's pump and dump scheme. Yes, I know, but I want just to know when he bought on Tuesday. Let's see. He buys here. Yes, 180. He said. So I know what you are doing. So your idea is that if there is any movement up, like this one, or like this one, $3.80 or something, you can make money. Yes, I know you bet on any movement, but what if the stock goes from 174, it goes to $1 or 90 cents? Okay, so what do you think about that? Are you, it means, let me see here. Taya Soap, I check your stock. These stocks are called pump and dump scheme stocks. It means stocks that are manipulated. And you see the manipulation before the two big candlesticks, the green ones. The stock has been going up so good up, and then they go down. So this is a kind, these stocks, they don't trade normally. Okay? But understand that if the stock fall down, it means it goes down, let's say to $1 or to 90 cents, you will lose half of your money. Okay? Understand that this kind of trading is so dangerous. You are in stocks that are more into gambling than trading, because you will never know when these guys do manipulation. The manipulation just comes, they plan for it, other guys, but you don't know. So for me, I can't say to you anything, because I don't use moving averages. I don't use the VWAP that you use. I use signals other than what you do, and I don't use indicators. So my way of doing business is not the same, and I don't choose these stocks. I'm not saying I don't buy penny stocks. I buy them, but other kind of penny stocks. not the penny stocks that you are looking for. You are looking for to risk too much money. Either you make more money or you lose a lot of money. This is what you are doing. And this is more to a gambling than to a trading. For us, we do trading. We try to preserve our money, not to play with it like a gambling thing when we can lose half of our money in one trade. We don't do that. Because this is, what you are doing can make your account wiped out in one day. Because these stocks are manipulated. So for me, we don't do this manipulated stocks. Okay? So it's up to you. And I don't do indicators, no moving averages, no VWAP, nothing. I have my own criteria that we use to buy stocks and to sell stocks. Now we have another guy, Bassam Mohammed. Where are you from? I am from Algeria and I am a USA citizen. It means I'm living in America. Okay. JJ said, all my money are in 5 positions about 2 months now. I search every 2 days and find some very good stocks. Should I borrow from my broker to buy them? No. See, JJ, if you borrow from your broker, okay, you will be paying interest rate. Check your broker interest rate. It may be 5%, 6%, 10%. You will never know how much is. You should ask your broker. If the for example the interest rate is one or maybe 1.5, 2, maybe it's okay. But if it is 5, 6, 7, 10%, it means before you begin your trade, you lose 10%. How can you continue trading? Okay, so be careful of this margin money, because when you double your position, you double your profit and you double your loss. Instead of losing 500, you can lose 1,000, and this will eat very quick your money. So try to be careful, JJ, about using broker money. Try to see the interest rate. How much is it? If it is too much, I suggest don't go there, because you are just playing with other people's money. When you lose, let's say you have a gap down or you lose a lot of money, you end up losing too much from your account. Okay, that's what I propose. Juan Di Casa said, Craig is an ugly chart. No, it's not because it is an ugly chart. It is just because it is a pep and dump scheme stock. It's manipulated stock. This is what I don't like in this chart. Okay? Now, let's say Sammy said China. No, stock would be, all the stocks are here. It means, yes, the company is a Chinese company, but it is listed here. So it has our rules. So China or Turkey or France or England, it doesn't matter. Or Mexico, it doesn't matter. So many red candlesticks, yes. I do have a stop loss in place at 173. Okay. If you are going to if there is a bad move, you exit, it's okay. But I suggest, Taya Soap, I suggest that you have training level 1 for me, and if you are interested, check my strategies are better than what you are looking for, because you are doing risky trades, and these risky trades, one day you will pay. You will pay for this, because if there is a gap down or there is something happen or they short the stock, in the next day you will find that the stock is 5 cents or 20 cents or what, or 70 cents. You will lose everything that you have. And don't put all your money in one stock. This is a bad, risky thing that you do in your account. If you have, for example, $8,000, try to put 2 or 3 positions, 3 stocks. Don't put all your money in one stock, because this is like putting your eggs in one basket. When it falls, all the eggs will be broken. So that's the thing. Another Rahmatullah Modi, how are you? Hello Karim, sir, I did not know you coming tonight for live session. No. I did not announce that there is a live session. I just want to make a video, and then I said to myself, why not to do a live? Okay, that's the thing. Maybe I will do it more than to put a video, because the people, they come and we can discuss things. It's better than to make a video and there is no interaction. So it doesn't mean that each day I will do it. I don't know. I just made it like this. Thank you very much for coming. Trump, hi. Do you trade stocks with high short float like Tesla? No. Any stock that has my criteria, I trade them. I don't care about this high short float that you say about Tesla. I just trade. Okay? So I don't use other criteria of other people. Now, Taya Soap said, how can I know what stocks are manipulated all the time? So, Taya Soap, I will explain to you with your stock. Okay? I will explain to you. Now, let's go to the chart. Now, you see these 2 candlesticks here, on the left side? How come we have small candlesticks here with 6,000 volume, 6,000, 3,000, 1,000, and now here we have 26 million shares traded a day? How come here there is nothing, and then this day we have 26 million, and then the other day 25 million traded? Now this is what we call a pump and dump scheme stocks that are not normal. Now here you can see from, let's say I will show you the normal thing. The normal thing is like from here to here. All these candlesticks that you see here are normal. It means people are trading, there is no manipulation. Manipulation comes here, comes here, comes here, here, and here. These 2 are manipulation. This one here and this one here. So it's very easy. Check just the volume and see. The stock here, as you can see here, you can see that all the months, you see that candlesticks are too small. You see, too small, and then okay, and then one day you see this. So this is the pump, and then you see the dump. They pump the stock up and they push it down. So you are here. It might be going up, it might be going down. Okay, you can make money also, but it's very manipulated. So hope Taya Soap, you understood how to see these stocks that are manipulated. JJ said my broker is E-Trade. Okay, that's good. Will broker lend money to anyone? Yes. Sammy, if you have a broker, you have, for example, $5,000. If you do margin account, he will add 5,000 to you. It will become 10,000. This is called margin account. Now, if you have now a cash account, you should ask to change it to a margin account in order that they give you money. Yes, and everybody who has a cash account, you change it, they will give you the money. So there is no racism. There is no racism in stock market wherever, if all the people can get the money. Okay? Trump D Stock said, what do you think about interactive brokers? They have lower commissions, like $1 per trade, and the chart slow since my e-trade require me to pay more for real streaming data. Like what? You said that e-trade requires you to pay for real streaming data? No. No, this is false. I have e-trade. They don't ask me to pay. Maybe you are doing some subscription or something. So Trump, you should real streaming data like $160? No. This is I don't think that you are right, because I am with E-Trade. They don't charge for streaming data. Maybe you want to do subscription for something, news or whatever, or you ask for a professional chart or whatever. So you ask to upgrade for something else. That's why they ask you to pay money. But for interactive brokers, if you don't trade too much, they will ask you to pay for inactive trading. It means if you don't trade for 1 month, they charge you. And they charge you for streaming data. I was with them and then I closed my account. I don't like them. Okay? I don't like them. I don't like someone to ask me to trade or not to trade. I am free to do in my account what I want. And let's say if I want to invest my money without trading, interactive broker, they will charge you for streaming data, and they will charge you for inactivity fee. It means if you don't trade and you bring them money, they will charge you, these interactive brokers. But please, Trump, you can send me an email and send me, what is this thing they ask you $160? What is this thing? You should send me the you can send me the sentence, or you send me what they ask you, because there is no. Maybe you are upgrading to something else, or they send you news, or they send you something else, or another chart, or another upgrade. But for me, I have the bid and the ask as real as it is. They don't change it. They don't stop it. Okay? So try to see and let me know. Tire soap, how do I get to trading level 1? Now, tire soap, my training are by levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6 is just the steps. Each step you will study something. Now, training level 1, you will study how my strategy is so different from other strategies. So you go to my website and you find here, you go to my website and you find training level 1 is for free. Okay? Training level 1 for free. Click it and then make an account and then watch the videos. So it's free. And how many videos in level 1? Mo Sahni. So you just when you click on the training, it shows you how many videos in it. The first one, I guess it is 28 videos. And the other, don't see the how many videos. See what you can get with the explanation. Okay? Don't look at how many videos, because I can make all my strategy in one video of 1 hour or 2 hours. I can. Okay? So the number of videos, it doesn't mean that you have more videos, you have more knowledge. No. No. Okay? Just need guidance. Yes, yes. See, in order to save money, you should do the golden subscription. It's easier because you have 13 training levels. You will find them ready-made in golden subscription. You just subscribe and you will have hundreds of videos. And you have weekly search, you have lessons, you have training level videos, 13. So you can do golden subscription better. And you can cancel at any time or ask me to cancel, and you can cancel at any time. Golden subscription. Okay? And here is the website. You go to the website, you find golden subscription, you click on it, you will see what you get, and then you subscribe if you want. Now, if you don't want to subscribe, you just go and watch training level 1. If you like what you see, you can go to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and you keep them forever. It means when you order a training, it will be in videos and you will watch them forever. Okay? Thank you, Mo Sahni. Thank you very much. Rahmatullah said, can you give me your opinion on PNK stock I bought on Monday? PNK. Okay. It's good. Thank you very much, Sami Caprio. Thank you very much. Understand, Sami, that what we do, we use signals with criteria. It means we don't buy because someone tells us to buy, and all the people who have my strategy, we buy the same. If we find a stock, we all like it, we buy it. Okay? So each day you will find stocks to buy. Either big stocks or small stocks or penny stocks. You will find different stocks. And you choose whatever you want to buy. Okay? And it is a whole strategy. It means you have how to use the stop loss, how to follow the trend, how to manage your account. It is all these things. How to buy when the stock is going up, how to buy when the stock is going down and going up. It means a lot of strategies, and each strategy has its own criteria. Okay? Thank you, Sami. Thank you, Mo Sahni, for your questions. Now, Rahmatullah Modi, you can send me an email and we can discuss this in private, because I know you are my student. So just send me an email and tell me what is your stop loss. And I know that you bought it on Monday, so what is your stop loss? And then we can discuss this. Okay? Because don't forget the stop loss. Everything looks nice, but you know, we will never know what will happen. Okay? You know that that today the reason for making a live, I want to make a video for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and I got the idea. I say, what if I make a live for half an hour or 45 minutes? But now we are in 1 hour 24 minutes. I don't see the time. I don't see the time. So now we are at the end of this session. I might do the session tomorrow also. I don't know. So if you find a video tomorrow at night, it means that I will not do a live. But if you don't find a video, I might do a live, and you can come with other questions, and you can send me questions by email. Okay, you can send me by email, or you just do by email, and you can just go to my website to check things. If you are interested in anything and you are confused, you can just send me an email, and I would be happy to help you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please, I might do live video for tomorrow. I don't know. So if you are just doing nothing at night, we can hang out and we can do more more discussion. Thank you very much, and see you next time.